Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 12i, and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, SIM eject tool. Now one of those should come provided with a device, though they probably will look something similar to this. Now it's somewhere in the box between paperwork, but if you can't find it, you can also use a paper clip, shine one on the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have either the paper clip or the SIM tool, I'm going to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone where the pin is holding right now for me. Push the pin in, and you'll see that the tray just pops out ever so slightly. Take it out, and on the tray you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card, each slot dedicated for a respective card. So I'll occupy one of each, and then I'll insert it back into the device. Now you'll see that once you pop in your card, it prompts you to put in a SIM pin. Once confirmed, it will unlock the SIM card, and you can use the SIM card, well, just a normal mobile network or just a card itself. And in terms of SD card, it just works without any kind of additional steps, and you can see it right here. SD card tap to set up. You don't need to set it up, it already works. So we can completely disregard this pop-up. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.